Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to design this nuts on Fusion 360. So let's open new design. In this new design, we are going to create a new sketch on top plane, sorry. In your new sketch, go to create and select here polygon and select inscribed polygon. So go to your center point, select and move to draw your polygon. If you want to change the type of your polygon, you can click only tab on your keyboard and change the number of line in your keyboard. If you want, you can give 10 or another. So I will keep 6 and you can give the dimension like 50 and say okay. Here you can see your polygon can move like this. So go in constraint, select vertical or horizontal and select this line. If you do that, you can see your sketch will change to black and it cannot move. Go and select here finish sketch and we are going to extrude this sketch. So here create a select extrude and move to enter your dimension like this. You can enter any dimension that you want. We are going to give 14 like the dimension. So now select this face and create a new sketch again. This new sketch will be circle. So select circle and go to center point and move to draw your circle. We don't need to give any dimension. We just go here in constraint and select tangent. Select here your circle and select this line. You see your circle is a tangent in this line and it automatically constraint. So finish your sketch and now we are going to extrude again this circle. Select your face and move to remove the material, but in distance we are going to give just minus 40. If you do that, you see it's remove the material, but here in your angle you just change this angle to enter like 45 degree like your angle, and you see it remove again material, but it's turn to a conical shape, but we don't need to remove all the material. So here in operation select cut and here select intersect. When you select intersect, you see it's change and give nut shape. So here select OK, and we have one part of our nut. So now there remains this lower part. So to do that, we are going to create a new plane. So come here and in constraint, select offset plane. Select this face and move like this and enter dimension minus 4 for example, and say OK. Select your new plane and create sketch in this new plane. This sketch will be a circle again, and come here in the center point, select and move, but you don't need to give any dimension. Go to constraint again, select tangent, select this circle and select this line. You see it will immediately constrain. So finish your sketch and select here extrude. So you can extrude, but if you do that, it remove the material, but it's not a problem. Just move and you can give the dimension like 15, and here in your angle change again the angle. You can give like 70 degree, and you will see it's give again conical shape, but it remove the material. So in operate, select here join. If you select that, you will see we have our nut. If you want, you can change the distance, and here you can change again the angle, but I will skip it like this, and I say okay. So now we have this part is not very good, so we are going in create and select extrude, select this part and extrude it to give just a small dimension like 3, and say okay. If you do that, you have your nut is almost finished. So it's remain just to do thread here. If we do that, our design will finish. So go in create and select here hole. When you select hole, select this face and move your hole in the middle point. So when you do that, you have here hole type. You just keep simple, but here hole type you have to select here type. If you select this, you can see it's make a hole and thread at the same time. Select this snap point and move to remove all the material. So if the size of your tape is not good for you, you can just change it here. You can select other size and you can change that you want, and don't forget to select here model and say okay. So now our nut is finished. So if you want to change the appearance, so you can just click on E in your keyboard or go to modify and select here appearance. So in the appearance, I want to take aluminum and select this to move on my nut. So now we have our nut is finished. If we want to do some fillet here, we can go to modify and select here fillet and select this line, this part, select again this line, and select this line and this line. You can enter like 1 or 2 for your dimension, and it will appear automatically. If you want to see very well your nut, you can go here, select, click on design, and you can take render. If you take render, you see in render you can take here sense settings, select in this, and environment library. So go in this and you can select any environment that you want. You can select like this environment and move it here. And in the setting, don't forget to select background environment. If you don't select that, you will see it not apply. So select this and you will see your nut in other environment. That's good. So I think it is good, and when you finish, click on close. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and see you in next video.